Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 3416 Northeast Blakely Street. The date is Friday, June the 15th, 2018. What you're looking at here is approximately 70 feet down the sewer line. There is a major offset here. You see that pool of water there? That is where the pipe is shifted slightly. It looks like it's going from concrete pipe into clay pipe right there. Also a massive root growing in at the top. If you can see that on the left-hand side of the screen, that's just a massive root. We're going to pull back from there. I'm recording this from the toilet flange in the basement bathroom. There you can see another large root ball. And another large root ball, not as big, but getting there. And another large root ball. Back in 4-inch pipe now. This looks like plastic, so at some point this section was redone. I believe this is where the clean out is outside. So here is the roots that caused the backup. This one, I should say. So this is the cast iron transition. You're transitioning from cast iron pipe out into concrete for a small stretch and then into the plastic ABS. I'm not sure why this entire thing hasn't been redone in ABS. Ideally it would be ABS plastic pipe from there all the way through here to avoid this issue exactly. So massive roots right there. You see that? The toilet paper is still clinging on. That is the one that caused the clog. We're back inside the cast iron pipe now. You're upside down. Let me reorient you. So, there's the toilet flange. There's the basement bathroom down here. So I would recommend either putting a clean out in closer to where we could jet this, because right now jetting through, we don't do jetting through a toilet flange. There's just too much risk involved, so you'd be looking at installing an outside clean out or digging up that section where the pipe is broken or where that root's coming through, getting that part put in plastic, and then jetting out the rest of the line, cutting out all the rest of those roots. That would be my prescription for this line here. So anyway, signing out.